Multitasking is an art, and hair conditioner exemplifies this marvel. Many might think of conditioner purely as a softening agent, but its true magic lies in its dual role, cleaning while conditioning. The secret begins with its unique formulation. Conditioners contain cationic surfactants. These positive ions attach to negatively charged residues left by shampoos and hard water, helping to rinse away impurities without stripping natural oils. Simultaneously, they form a protective layer around each strand, improving texture and shine. This multitasking ensures your hair isn't just clean but also nourished and manageable. By utilizing these dual properties, conditioners achieve balance, cleansing effectively while fortifying from within. Next time you apply conditioner, remember, it's not just pampering your hair. It's performing a choreographed dance of chemistry.